To maintain a high-performance team is every manager's goal. But in reality, a team usually struggles with a list of unresolved issues, delays in the delivery, and gaps in the workflow. How to find those bottlenecks and keep the performance up? Use Time and Status for Jira Cloud to get a helicopter view of team performance. With this add-on, managers can find out the real reason for delays. Which assignees are holding issues? Moreover, you can easily customize reports to dive deeper into the analysis. Monitor workflow processes, make data-driven decisions, and increase team productivity. Do you want to know more? You can find us on Atlassian Marketplace. Time and Status for Jira Cloud. Decide on the skyrocketing solutions.